So if you own cats, or maybe you own small dogs, or maybe even like smaller animals like a guinea pig, a hamster, I don't know, but this kind of video is predominantly focused like for cats and small dogs. Okay, so basically I have three cats and two of them are bald because they're Sphinx cats. And now that we're in the depth of winter and it's like -6, it's like absolutely freezing, the Sphinx cats, they are cold. But will they wear their cute, cozy, comfy, warm little sweaters that I bought them? No. So I've been struggling with a bit of an issue at night time when the temperature really dips and the Sphinx cats cannot get warm. They've started scratching at my door. And you may be thinking, well, Amanita, like, why not just like open the door and let them come in the bed with you, which I do. But the problem with that is they are constantly like moving around. Luna has got this like new thing that she's been trying out, like a new morning routine where she will start to like scratch on the duvet around 5 a.m. because she wants to wake me up so that I'll go down and get them breakfast. And then if that doesn't work and she doesn't find success with scratching the duvet, she just starts licking my face, and she has a rough tongue. Imagine like someone just like sandpapering your face at 5 a.m. in the morning when it's freezing. No, girlfriend, not acceptable. I honestly feel like I've entered back into like baby zone, like when my kids were babies and I would have like disrupted sleep every single night. That's where we're at, right? Well, not where we're at, because they don't bother Honeys, because they know Honeys he's not getting up early for anyone. He's a deep sleeper. They're bothering me because I'm the early riser. I'm the one that likes to get out of bed early. I'm the one that always feeds them breakfast, and I happen to be the lightest sleeper in the house. So that's why I don't let them come in the bed with me, because Luna does her scratchy on the bed thing, which if I've got a video of it, which I may do, because I was worried that Honey's just thought I was being like a drama queen, so I filmed it. So if I've still got the video, I'll like show you the video. So she does the scratching. So anyway, so that's why we have to shut the door. Believe me, I love having the cats in the room with me. In an ideal world, I would have all the cats in bed with me and my boys in bed with me, but it's not an ideal world. Like you can only have so many people in a bed. I'm sure that there's some videos on Pornhub that would probably say otherwise, but in my bed, it's limited occupancy. Okay, so I've been shutting the door to keep the cats out, but now Luna has started to scratch. Look, by the way, if you're thinking of getting Sphinx cats, don't do it. I say don't do it. And believe me, I love my Sphinx cats. I adore them, and I think they're like my little babies. But they're a handful. They're so high maintenance, and I would say really think about it seriously. Like, think about it, girlfriend, because they're not like regular cats. So now Luna will be scratching at the door, and because my door is about 1,000,000 years old and it doesn't properly fit into the door frame, as she's scratching, the door's like shaking and moving. So then you're getting this like, it's like a chorus, a choir of scratch, 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 and bang, 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 scratch, 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 bang, bang, bang. I mean, I don't know if she's into music. Maybe this is like her new like creative outlet. I don't know. But really, I just think she wants me to get up, and she's trying to make as much noise as possible. I'm going to show you the video now because I know you don't believe me as well. You think I'm being a total drama queen, so I'm going to just show you the video because I feel like I have to come with receipts for this, because I feel like no one believes me, because I am sleep deprived and paranoid. And by the way, before I show you this video, I was thinking, like, there was part of me thinking, oh my gosh, I could put this video on TikTok and just like caption it, "We have a haunting," because I think if you did not know I had a cat and I played this video, you would think, oh my gosh, there's a poltergeist in that house. And then I'm even thinking, because I'm sleep deprived, well, what if I do have a poltergeist in my house? Like, I'm assuming all of this is Luna. It may not be Luna. It may not be Luna. It could be poltergeist. I could be experiencing a haunting, and it could have been licking my face, and I was saying, oh no, it's just Luna. It could not have been Luna. It could have been a ghost. Can you imagine? Anyway, I'm going to show you the footage now, and then I'll tell you what my solution, which kind of works but not really, is. I don't know, I'm just sat here as if like, I don't know why am I just sat here. I'm going to stop, show you the video. Okay, bye. Do you see what I mean? It's kind of freaky, isn't it? Like, okay, so we've had all of this going on, and it has been getting very annoying, and they never used to do, like I say the Luna, who by the way is the angel of the bunch, but apparently not at night time. She becomes a devil at night time. But this has only just become an issue recently as the temperatures dropped. I don't know, maybe it's just actually because Luna's just got used to having, she just gets hungry earlier. I don't know. But anyway, my solution was, right, I need to buy them a cat cave. Because I thought if they have like a cozy, comfy bed, then A, they're not going to want to be going in my bedroom. B, obviously, like, number one, they're going to be warm and cozy, which is what I want. I want happy cats. But C, I thought maybe they'll just be so cozy, like Luna will just give up on scratching the door. So I was Googling online looking for cat caves or like cozy cat beds, heated cat beds, but then I realised I don't have the money for a heated cat bed. I love my cats, but I don't love them that much because heated cat beds, top dollar. All of those cats of billionaires out there, they're going to be living a lavish lifestyle in their heated cat beds. But that, unfortunately, that's not the lifestyle that my cats are able to live. So I was looking at all these cat caves because I wanted something that would be big enough to fit all three. And by the way, as I was looking, I was thinking the chance that they're even going to use this cat bed is slim to none. Because if you've ever bought your cat, like a fancy cat toy, just any cat, basic cat toy, a nice little cat bed, a cozy sweater, they're never going to use it. They're going to just use the shittiest toy ever, and they're going to refuse to wear the cozy, comfy, warm sweater and just try and wake you up every morning. So I was looking online, and like these cat caves were like £60, £70, £80, and it hit me. I had like a creative, like, eureka moment. I'm so proud of this, like literally so proud. I feel like I need to patent this, but then I'm not really, because I just want to share this idea because I think it's really good. I do. I think this, I'm really proud. It's very, 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 very rare that I actually come up with a good idea. So this is why I'm very proud of this and not humble at all about it. But as I was looking at the cat caves, I realised it's literally just a fucking box with a little hole cut in it. A box with a hole cut in it. And I thought to myself, wait a minute. I have an ottoman. So if you don't know what an ottoman is, it's just like one of those, it's like a bench but with a lid, and you could sit on it if you have an expensive one, which obviously I don't because I'm a cheap ass, but it's got a lid. You lift the lid off and it's like storage inside. And my house is full of ottomans because I love ottomans. I love a bench. I love storage. I love hidden storage. I just thought to myself, eureka moment. Why don't we just use one of our ottomans? Well, not actually, I'll get Honeys. I was going to take it on because I don't think we should always be asking men to do stuff. You know what I mean? So I was like, Honeys, if you have like a Stanley knife or a saw, please give it to me because I'm going to create a cat cave. So anyway, I decided to just cut a hole in it. A hole. As simple as that. So anyway, Honeys gave me the Stanley knife. And yeah, couldn't do it. So then I gave the Stanley knife back to Honeys. And then he majestically cut a little hole into the ottoman. I filled it with cozy blankets and I put it outside my bedroom. And I'm going to just show you their video now so that you can see. You can see. Oh my gosh, get ready, guys. Get ready. Oh my gosh. You're going to be amazed. Not really, but it's practical. And it was sustainable because I reused something that I already had because I'm a tight ass. But anyway, check it out. Why am I sat here again? I'm sat here as if I'm on, like, I'm a TV presenter. Like, okay, watch the footage, guys. Oh, anyway, guys, I am so weird, but I love it. I'm weird in the best kind of way. I'm like the weirdest person ever. But anyway, Okay, so this is the cat cave that we created that I am super proud of, as I'm sure you can probably tell. And you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, Amwyn, it is shit. And that's fine, that is fine. But do you know what? Yes, it may be shit, but it's functional, practical, and I didn't have to spend like £50 on buying one. That, let's face it, if I spent £50 buying one, they never would have gone in it. So anyway, it's a crushed velvet ottoman. I think that's the correct name, ottoman. I just call it the storage cube, but it is an ottoman. Maybe it's an ottowoman. Who knows? Anyway, so all we did was we just cut a little hole in it to create the cave, the cat cave. It has a lid which you can just take off, and inside we've just got loads of, like, even though you can't really see them, we've got like loads of comfy blankets in there, and I've kind of hung this fleece blanket around the edges so that the cats can kind of scurry underneath, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is what we created, and I would definitely recommend, like, this is the way forward. Don't waste your money. Buy one of these ottomans for like £15 and then to make your own cat cave. Somebody give me my award, because I do feel like I need one, and I know you're just there like, oh my gosh, Amwyn, like, really, but I'm just happy because I just reused something I had, cut a hole. I know I feel really like, now I'm very self-aware, and I'm able to reflect, and now I'm just thinking, like, my life must be a bit dull at the moment if this is what I'm really excited about. But there's people out there actually like saving lives and starting amazing businesses, and here I am just like, and I didn't even cut the hole. Honey's cut the hole. So, but anyway, you get the idea. And I was just going to say, right, if you want to create a cat cave, do it, girlfriend. Get yourself an ottoman. You can pick them up if you're in the UK from B&M, The Range, Dunelm, Amazon. I think I got the one that you saw there from Amazon for like £15. It's the same thing as these £60 cat caves on the internet. Yeah, so at first they went in it, and they do go in it at bedtime, but then they come out of it and then proceed to scratch the door. So it's like it solved the problem. It did, but not 100%. There's still a bit of a problem, and I'm yet to solve it. I don't know what we can do on other than maybe locking them downstairs. I don't know, guys. But do you have issues with your cats? Because you know what, Muskie's great. He does not cause. Well, actually, I say that. He has a personal vendetta against the Christmas tree. That's his thing. Like, the girls are high maintenance, Muskie's mischief. Isn't that always the way? Like, the girls are going to be, ooh, high maintenance, and the boys, oh, mischief. So predictable. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I know no one's here anymore, and you'll probably think, oh, that's so sad. But anyway, I just wanted to share it with you because I know money's tight for so many people, and any way that we can try to save money, then I'm all for that. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you have any tips on what I can do to stop Luna scratching my door, I'd really appreciate it. So, okay. Bye, guys.